Introducing the Chefman Countertop. Achieve perfect results with GE's convenience cooking controls. Express Cook gives you a quick way to set cooking time for up to 6 minutes. Plus, easy selection controls make sure everything from popcorn to hot cocoa is prepared just the way you like it at the touch of a button.
Before using your Sharp Countertop Microwave oven for the first time, the blue protective film needs to be removed. The protective film is used to prevent scratches or scuffing to the cabinet during shipping. If you operate your Sharp Countertop Microwave oven without removing the blue protective film, the film may begin to melt or produce an unpleasant smell. To remove the protective film, first find the corner near the bottom front of the cabinet. Then slow film has been removed. Your new Sharp Countertop Microwave oven is ready to use.